Hello all, welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to learn the new parts, that is ticket to the world. There are 6 subtopics there in this part. First topic is peaceful world. In this part we are going to learn about the United Nations and the specialized agencies. The United Nations or UN is an international organization created in 1945 with the aim to maintain worldwide peace and security and develop a relation among the nations. Now let us see some logos of specialized agencies of UN. What is that specialized agencies? Yes, they are the organization of UN that look after the specific areas such as trade, labor, research, human rights and so on. Now let us see the logos of specialized agencies. This is the logos of IMO, International Maritime Organization. It is responsible for the safety and security of shipping and the prevention of marine pollution by ships. Next logo is WHO, World Health Organization's logo. It aims to improve public health, particularly among disadvantaged populations of the member nations. Next logo is UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It looks after children's welfare in terms of health and basic education, especially in developing countries. Next logo is the WFP, World Food Program's logo. It provides services of delivering food assistance in emergencies worldwide. Next logo is UNEP, United Nations Environment Program's logo. It focuses on helping countries cooperate to create a healthier, cleaner planet. Next logo is WMO's logo, World Meteorological Organization. It provides free reliable information on matters relating to climate and environment. Next topic is flags and stamps. Now let me show the flags of some countries and their capital. First flag is Israel's flag and their capital is Jerusalem. Second is Colombia's flag. Their capital Bogota. Third is Greenland's flag. Capital is Nuuk. Next is Finland's flag and their capital Helsinki. Next is North Korea's flag. Their capital Pyongyang. Next, New Zealand's flag. Capital Wellington. Next is Nepal's flag. It is the only flag in the world that is not rectangular. Next, you can see some postage stamps. Every country has postage stamps issued by its government. You can identify the pictures on the stamps. First one, which picture is this? Yes, that is Lono's picture. Second one, yes, that is Elizabeth II's picture on that stamps. Third picture on the stamp, yes, that is Victor Emmanuel's third picture. Fourth is that Thomas Jefferson Memorial's picture on the stamp. Next is, we all know, national emblem of India. Next is yes, that is Eiffel Tower picture on that stamp. This is first stamp issued on 21st November 1947 after independence, had the Indian flag with the slogan Jai Hind. Next topic is map quiz. Look at the world map. Then you can answer the following question. First question is, name the biggest country in terms of area. Yes, that is Russia. Second question, name the continent that is not permanently inhabited. Yes, that is Antarctica. Third question, name the country in the southeast of Australia. Yes, that is New Zealand. Next question, name the ocean named after a country. Yes, that is Indian Ocean. Next question, name the nearest continent to Antarctica. Yes, that is South America. Last question, name the continent in which Japan is located. Yes, that is Asia. Next topic is traveling foods. You can see a crossword puzzles here that you can do as a homework with the help of hints given. Some countries and food pictures are given as hints. Next topic is world costumes. Let me show you some of the traditional costumes worn by people across the world. You can identify the countries they belong to. First is kebaya, that is Indonesia's traditional costume. Second is kilt, that is Scotland traditional costume. Next is Odai, that is Vietnam's traditional costume. Next is kimono, that is Japan's traditional costume. Next is kira, that is this is Bhutan's traditional dress. Next is poncho, that is Chile's traditional dress. Next you can see toga dress. In ancient Rome, only the emperor could wear a purple toga, but in ancient China, only the emperor could wear a yellow toga. Last topic in this part is mixed bag. You can see some questions with the options. You can identify the answers. First question is, this small Asian country lies just 1.8 meters above the sea level. Yes, the answer is Maldives. Next is, the Palm Jumeirah island has been created in this city. Yes, that is Dubai. Next is, this magnetic hill tends to pull vehicles uphill. Where is this mysterious hill located? Yes, that is in Ladakh. Next, this country is referred to as the land of the midnight sun. Yes, that is Norway. Next, you can tell that true or false. First question, Big Ben is located in the United States of America. That is false. Second is, yen is the currency of Japan. Yes, that is true. Next, Rocky Mountains are situated in the West North America. Yes, that's also true. Last is, Amazon River is the smallest river in the world. Yes, that is false. Now, look at this picture. What is the name of this structure? Yes, that is Stonehenge. It is located in England. It was declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986. This all in this part. See you on next class. Bye bye.